If you're not familiar with Solo is an app for us gig workers that can really give you the ease of mind and help us stay organized with our taxes and help maximize our earnings. Plus, in select cities, they offer a pay guarantee. If there's expense and mileage tracking. If you're not already tracking your mileage, look, this is very, very important, as you can write this off on your taxes. Solo's mileage tracker allows you to automatically track your miles so that you can maximize your tax deductions. And you can also input any business expenses like catering bags, phone holders, you know, GoPros. If you use flashlights, you know, sometimes you're delivering at nighttime, you might need a headlamp. Tax projections, I'm gonna let you know right now, this is super great. Solo will provide you with an estimate of what your federal and state be based on what you track through the Solo app. It can help you prepare for tax time, which is like super nice. Then there's the income management. You link your gig accounts, you can see how much you earn from each job. This thing called the leaderboard. You can see who the top earning gig workers are in your city and how you stack up against it. The pay guarantee program is great to help address both income instability as well as help you earn more and by working the peak pay hours in your market. Solo will make sure your daily pay meets or exceeds their predictions, and if it doesn't, you the difference. Now you can't tell me that ain't awesome right there. But you'll be able to find and sign up for more gig jobs in your city, see what the average hourly pay rates for said gig jobs are. You can see the best times to work those gig jobs. I mean, Solo offers a lot of great features and they all in one place, which is awesome. You can either use the free version of the app or you can get the subscription-based version. The greatest thing about all of this is the subscription service is 100% taxable write-off because you're using it for your business. But the best of all, they have a no-risk 14-day access period for all new users who want to try it. And I just love it when companies do that because it's a chance to really try it out. And you can see if it meets your needs. I'm going to tell you what's even better. Not only do you get the 14-day access period so you can try out the app, if you download the Solo app and you link one of your active gig accounts, they're going to give you $10. But I think that's just awesome. That right there is worth taking advantage of. It's a tax write-off. They're giving you a 14-day free trial. And if you link one of your active gig accounts, which you already out here, you know, picking up deliveries, they're going to give you $10. All you got to do is link your PayPal or your Venmo account. So right there, you already do. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and give Solo a try, you can use my link in the description below. Oh, so you just thought you was going to click on the video and you was just going to see me confront a no-tip customer, huh? Man, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm literally blowing up my Doordash account, confronting these people for y'all. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We gonna be delivering some Christmas presents to the kids out here, man. There's some children in need in my community, and I got to help them out, man. Project Dash, they coming through. If you don't know what Project Dash is, they probably in your local community, and they probably donation dashes. And you know what? Sometimes they don't have tips on them, but that's okay because it's for the community. And you know what? These kids deserve a good Christmas, so you know what? We about to go ahead and hook them up. Let's go ahead and get right to it. We're gonna be delivering some Christmas gifts, guys. How you doing? We're doing good. You ordered this one? Yeah. You ever heard of no tip, no trip?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I tipped you on the...
What'd you tip? Oh, you don't know what it was? How much was your order? You don't know how much your food cost?
More money?
No, I don't, because honestly, so your order paid $4, so it's a $1 tip on there. Yeah, so look, don't be sorry, because look, okay? So what I do is I pick up the worst orders in the area, like this one. Dashers don't make no money on a $1 tip, especially when it's 0 degrees and it's snowing. Look, I know you cold, so I ain't gonna give you the whole spiel. I embarrass people that place orders like this now, but we don't make no money. Don't do that. If you're gonna do it for delivery, it's a DoorDasher, a Uber Eatser, or a Grubhub person. Slim Chickens don't got no delivery drivers, bro.
Right, man. I think it's a little messed up that you're making fun of people who...
that don't tip.
Just! I tip 10%.
10% is $1. Make a sandwich or get it yourself, bro. Straight up. Now you can give me 1 star and it do not matter.